The moon is a fascinating object in our sky. It's a big ball of rock that orbits around our planet, Earth. You can often see it at night, and sometimes during the day if the sky is clear. The moon doesn't make its own light. It reflects the light from the sun, which is why it looks bright in the night sky. People have been looking at the moon for thousands of years. In fact, astronauts have even walked on its surface. They went there in special spacecraft called Apollo missions. They brought back rocks and soil samples to study. The moon has different phases. Sometimes it looks like a big circle, full moon. Other times it's just a small sliver, new moon. People even talk about half moons when it's in between. The phases change because of how the moon moves around Earth and how sunlight hits it. Some people believe that the moon affects things on Earth, like the tides in the ocean. Tides are the rising and falling of the sea level. When the moon is full or new, tides are stronger because of its gravitational pull. Many stories and myths from different cultures talk about the moon. Some say there's a man in the moon, others talk about moon goddesses. It's interesting how people have different ideas about something we all see in the sky. Overall, the moon is a cool thing to learn about. Whether you're gazing at it from your backyard or studying it in books, there's always something new to discover about this bright object in our night sky.